Hey Boise Tile Pros, I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can start implementing right away to outrank some of your competition online and really start bringing in jobs for your business. So I have your website pulled up here, and the first thing that I want to talk about is content. When it comes to Google, content is king. They basically want to send people to relevant information. And if you have that relevant information on your site, you're going to rank well on Google. And again, Google's going to send people to your site, which in turn, allows for you to get more form submits and more phone calls to book jobs, right? So we want about 1,000 to 2,000 words onto the homepage of the website. And then with all the little services that you provide, you want individual service pages, and you want about 500 to 1,000 words on each of those pages. And all of that content is going to allow you to rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time to find businesses like yours and services that you provide. So like if I come over here to Google and type in Boise tile installation, that's obviously something you want to pop up for, right? Not only in the map pack section here, where your Google My Business listing is, but down here in the organic section, right? Because everyone loves the first page of Google, right? That's where they stay, that's where they live, that's where they find the businesses that they're going to get quotes from. That's where they call the businesses, things like that. So again, we want to make sure to add that content onto our website. We want to make sure that we have clear call to actions, right? Like this is click here to schedule a free in-house estimate. That's perfect. Maybe you want to put your phone number as well in case you got people who just want to give you a call. All right, so make sure that is clear. And then again, just add more content in. Now, if I come over here to a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, I'm going to see some data of your site. And it looks like you guys are pretty new, so I don't see too much going on. But I wanted to kind of talk about some keywords and some backlinks. This is, what's going to show you what you're ranking for as far as keywords, like that Boise tile installation, right? Where you see it's searched 70 times a month, right? So people are obviously looking for your services. That's definitely a good keyword that you want to show up for by having it in the content of your website. And then a backlink is really just a link from one site pointing to another. And what those backlinks do is they pass power and trust to your site. So Google sees that content and they see these backlinks and they see that your site is trusted, it's powerful, and that's how they're going to rank you accordingly in Google for these specific search terms like Boise tile installation. All right. Now, kind of talking about the map pack, this is a really powerful tool, and it looks like you guys set yours up here, Boise Tile Pros, and again, you guys are pretty new it seems, so you already got 4 reviews, which is great. Looks like you've got your information down here, but you want to optimize this listing to the max, right? We want to keep adding pictures. You want to make sure that you're posting, updates and different jobs that you guys are doing. We want to make sure to max this description out and add in those keywords like Boise tile installation, those keywords that people are looking for. We want to make sure that we're active on our Facebook here. And, those are really some things. That's not everything, but those are some things that can help you stand out in the map pack. Another thing we can do is add citations, which is your name, address, and phone number, basically your business information throughout directories online, right? And the more places you can be found online, the more, trustworthy and powerful Google is going to think you are, and that's how they're going to rank you. So imagine showing up in this 3-pack in the first 3 businesses. Think about how many calls and website clicks that these guys generate just for being right here, especially for people on their phone. They're going to see these 3 businesses right away, and those are the places they're going to click. All right, and then down here in the organic section, this is really where the content and backlinks come into play. So again, having great content and having a strong backlink portfolio is going to get you ranked on the first page, because let's be honest, again, nobody really clicks the second, third, fourth page. We want to show up in this organic section, the first couple spots, and then first couple spots in the map pack. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out. I'd love to learn a little bit more about your business and maybe see how we can help you out. All right, I'll talk to you soon.